Okay, good day, guys. Good day to you all. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel, guys. Thanks for being here. Gentle reminder, as always, knock up like button and also subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't done so already. Both free and easy ways to support the channel and free and easy ways to give the youths them a strength. All right, so we have two topics we're touching on very quickly today, and you guys just saw the banner on your screen. We're talking about Renaldo Cephas, ladies and gentlemen, and his big European transfer move. And we're also talking about the Reggae Girlz preliminary World Cup qualifying squad that would have dropped. So we're going to show you guys that as well. Seen? So, all right, the first thing we're talking about, Renaldo Cephas. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Renaldo Cephas has made a big European transfer move to a club by the name of FC Skopje. This particular club is based in the capital city of North Macedonia, which goes by the name Skopje. By the way, look at the pictures on your screen, ladies and gentlemen. If the pictures are anything to go by, this is a very, very beautiful city in North Macedonia. Seen? So Skopje, the capital city of North Macedonia, and that is where this particular club, FC Skopje, is based. This particular club formerly went by the name FK Sloga Jogo Magnat. So that is what this particular club used to be referred to as. Seen? Now they're FC Skopje. And this particular club is the reigning Macedonian champions, ladies and gentlemen, and that is why this move is a huge move. Top JPL forward makes a big European transfer to the reigning champions of a European First Division league. So obviously this is a big deal for a JPL player, and many of you guys would know that Cephas this season has scored 10 goals, which ranks him 4th in the JPL goal scoring rankings, and that makes it all the more impressive given the fact that he is a winger. Seen? This particular club plays in a stadium called the Care Stadium. This is an older picture of it. The stadium seems to have recently gone through some renovation, and you guys can look on your screen and you can see the pictures of this particular stadium. A nice looking stadium. According to Transfer Market, this stadium is a 16,000 seater stadium. I don't know, it don't look like a 16,000 seater stadium from the pictures, but that's according to Transfer Market. Seen? So as I said, reigning North Macedonian champions, ladies and gentlemen. This is their 4th Macedonian league title that they have won, which ranks them joint second all time in most successful North Macedonian clubs in terms of league titles won. They are the joint 3rd most successful Macedonian club in the cup with 3 titles won. Seen? So this is one of the biggest and most successful clubs in North Macedonia. This is not a pian club, ladies and gentlemen, that Renaldo Cephas would have made a move to. Seen? And by the way, this particular move is subject to a medical. So he landed in North Macedonia today, according to credible reports, and he would have, to undergo that medical. Once he passes the medical, this is a done deal from what credible platforms are reporting. Seen? And by the way, big up to Unseen Sports and also the leader. The leader was the first person that I heard talk about Cephas making this move. Unseen Sports was the first platform that published the actual name of the club that Cephas had moved to. The leader, if memory serves right, only spoke about the fact that he had made the move to Macedonia. Unseen Sports confirmed the club, so big up to those two particular individuals. Seen? So this particular club would have won their first title in 18 years this season. The last time they won a trophy was in 2003, 2004 when they won the North Macedonian Cup, and the last time they won the league title was 21 years ago in 2000-2001 league campaign, and they won this particular title when they were formerly known as FK Slogo Jogo Magnat. Seen? So this is a particular club that has been on the resurgence in recent years. In the 2014-2015 season, they were playing in the second division of the North Macedonian league structure. They won the second tier, gained promotion, and went back into the North Macedonian first tier. Seen? In the 2015-2016 season, they finished fourth. 2016-2017 they finished 7th. 2017-2018 they finished 4th again. 2018-2019 they finished 4th yet again. 2019-2020 they finished 6th. In the 2020-2021 campaign they finished 2nd, and in the 21-2022 campaign obviously they would have won the title. So the club went through a bit of a slump, so to speak, you know, in terms of moving from some glory years where they would have won cup titles and league titles, went through a bit of slump, and then, you know, last season would have finished 2nd in the league, and this season they would have returned to their championship winning ways by winning the North Macedonian league title. Seen? So one interesting fact about this particular league is that in the 2020-2021 campaign, they would have moved from a 10-team league to a 12-team league, right? So just giving you guys some information about this particular league and this particular club. On June the 14th, which is Tuesday coming, Renaldo Cephas will find out which club FC Skopje will play in the preliminary round of the UEFA Champions League qualifiers. So they are in the qualifiers, having won the North Macedonian League. On Tuesday, they will see which club, and Cephas will know which club they will kickstart their European campaign against when the draw takes place. And last season as well, they would have competed in the UEFA Conference League qualifiers. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen, just some insight as to this on this particular club, reigning North Macedonian champions FC Skopje, that big JPL forward Renaldo Cephas would have made a move to. All right, up next we're talking Reggae Girlz scene, and I am gonna show you guys the provisional roster for the Reggae Girlz upcoming Group of Death World Cup qualifying campaign. Guys, there it is. You see it on your screen. This is the official, this is the preliminary squad now, guys. This is not the final squad. This is the preliminary squad, which the final squad will be selected from. So on screen, Turney Wilshire, Giselle Washington, Kiki Van Zanten, Marla Sweatman, Chantel Swaby, Alison Swaby, Rebecca Nsa, Drew Spence, Havana Salone. Big baller that, you know, man. Scored her only goal in a FIFA Women's World Cup. Khadija Bonishaw, the big captain. Sydney Snyder, Vian Sampson, Atlanta Primus. Kanya Plummer, also a player looking to make a return as well. Jada Leila Hilton, I think is how you put that. Satara Murray, Serena Mensah, Peyton hold on, let me go again. Peyton McNamara. Hopefully I got that one right. Logan McFadden, big forward for Rangers, Scottish champions, Kayla McCoy. Chenya Matthews. I think what is Chenya Matthews, got that one right. Okay. Malika Days, Alika Keane, Yasmin Jameson, seen Shania Hales, Madaya, Harriet Nelson, Mariah Gray, Gabrielle Gale, Courtney Douglas, Michaela Days, Christina Chang, Trudy Carter, Sashania Campbell, Sashania Campbell, call Sashania's name already. Tiffany Cameron, big baller that as well. Jody Brown, another big baller. I mean, all of these girls are big ballers. Dominique Bonflaza, who scored the winning penalty to take us to the World Cup in France. Denisha Blackwood, Paige Bailey, Gale, Jade Bailey, Malia Atkins, Chinyelu Asha, big maestro midfielder, and Sade Adamale. Yo, my name not gonna try to pronounce Sade name. I don't know Sade, big baller, big forward. See, yo, let me go again. Sade Adamale. There you go. Yo, you see when you pronounce Sade name, you have to take it slow. See? But you guys know the player that I'm referring to. So that is the Reggae Girlz World Cup preliminary squad. Of course, many of you know that the Reggae Girlz have a very difficult group of death assignment coming up. In a very short period of time, it will soon be on us. Seen? So this is the preliminary squad, the preliminary roster, which the final squad will be selected from. Seen? So whoever is selected to represent the girls in the group of death against the US, Mexico, and Haiti, we wish them all the best. The qualifying round, the final qualification round, is taking place in Mexico in a very, very, very difficult group. Very difficult group. Reggae Girlz with a lot of controversy going into the group of death, but you know, we still think the girls have the quality to pull through. It's going to be very difficult to narrow down this particular squad, you know. It's going to be very, very, very difficult to narrow down this particular squad. Seen, so we know that the final squad will indeed be quality. So ladies and gentlemen, you know, that's my 2 cents here at the Formula Sports. Again, Renaldo Cephas making a move to North Macedonian champions FC Scoopy, and the Reggae Girlz preliminary roster was announced. So just giving you guys the names that would have made it. So take care, guys. Stay safe, and until next time.